Ever wondered where all those precious photos and videos you saved on your SD card have disappeared to on your Android phone? Let's unlock that hidden storage treasure trove. First things first, you'll need a file manager app on your Android device. Most phones come with one pre-installed. Look for an icon that looks like a folder or a file cabinet if you don't have one. Head to the Google Play Store and search for a reliable file manager app. Files by Google is a great free option. Once you've opened your file manager, you'll likely see different storage locations listed. These might be internal storage, downloads, or the SD card. If you don't see your SD card immediately, don't worry. Look for an option that clearly indicates your SD card. It might be labeled as SD card, external storage, or even the brand name of your card. Tap on that option. And just like that, you're now viewing all the files and folders directly on your SD card. You can now browse through your photos in the DCIM folder, access your downloaded files, or manage any other documents you saved there. You can open individual files by simply tapping on them. Want to move a file to your phone's internal storage or delete something you no longer need? Most file managers allow you to do this easily. Just press and hold the file you want to manage, and you'll see options to copy, move, delete, or rename it. This process makes it super simple to organize your data, free up space on your internal storage, and ensure you always have access to your important files. So go ahead, explore your SD card, and take control of your Android storage.